The next section is the play section. Push the play button with the card icon in the top right side. As you press play, you'll see our content. We have content such as word games, things like Hangman, Word Finder, Daily Crossword, Boggle. We also have card games such as Solitaire, Free Cell, Spades. We also have number games such as Sudoku, trivia games, puzzles, memory games, and reflex games. We'll press memory games to give you an example of one of our games. Start by touching the memory games icon. The memory game we're going to touch is called Echo Simon. This game uses both short-term and reflex memory. Tap to start. The object of the game is to repeat the pattern you see. Start by watching the sequence. On your turn, you're going to press the same sequence of colors you saw. These memory games, and all the games content in this experience, are meant for you to enjoy yourself and improve your cognitive skills. When the game is over, you can press the back button to return to the game section, or the home button to return to the Birdsong experience.